There are no obstacles on my divine path, only building blocks to strengthen me. I give thanks for my ebbs and flows, for they have developed me into who I am to be. I'm going to say that again. See if you can repeat now. There are no obstacles on my divine path, only building blocks to strengthen me. I give thanks for the ebbs and the flows, for they have developed me into who I am to be. Ashe. That is so true. The obstacles, they build your muscles. They build your physical muscles. They build your mental muscles. They build your spiritual muscles. That's what the obstacles do. Every time you have a trial or a tribulation, you tend to connect more with your higher self. You tend to connect more with spirit. You do, So if you have a trial or tribulation, figure out what it is you're supposed to learn from the situation and learn it so that you could build your mental and your spiritual muscles and then move on. Ashe. Thank you for watching. Before we close, I want to invite you to join us in exploring the female divinity system using the African Goddess Initiation Manual by Abiola Abrams. We're looking for women who desire to awaken their goddess energies so that they can learn how to love themselves the most, so they can spread their magic all over the planet, so they can manifest the prosperity that is theirs by divine right, and so that they can move on this journey of theirs with ease and on purpose. The goddesses must be awakened. So if you're ready to elevate your life and you want to be a part of this mission, look in the description box or in the profile section and find the link to our sister circle and meet us on the other side.